Get out that jam, gangy. I like this neighborhood. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog. Hey, today, y'all, we are about to be sliding, drifting, whatever you want to call it, every single corner we take today in the Chrysler 300, bro.
Nice.
We're gonna go ahead and start this up. I'm low-key a little nervous. It's starting to rain and everything, which is actually good because we're gonna be able to slide even easier. But we gotta get some gas. I ain't gonna lie, my shit low. I'm gonna begin recording when we get to the gas station, bro.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, I ain't got too much money now. We only gonna put like a 20 ball in this bitch. Need to show y'all how to pump gas, you know what I'm saying? Get that good old 93. All right, y'all, so we only gonna put about a 20 ball in that bit. We go, Anyway, make sure you shake all that shit out. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get all my, I need all mine. No cap, I need all mine. Get every drop. Don't spill nothing. Don't spill a damn drop.
What do you mean by that?
We just got some gas, you know what I'm saying? There's one more thing we need to do, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, we gotta turn the traction off. But y'all see the Chrysler 300, man. It looking all nice and pretty and shit, man. Let me go ahead and turn this off, bro. If y'all don't know how to turn the traction off in a Chrysler 300, hey, y'all already know that shit keep pumping. But anyway, bro, to turn the traction off for your Chrysler 300, bro, you gotta hold the start button, and then you gotta hold the traction button at the same time. So here we go. Hold the start, traction at the same time. When you keep holding the traction, don't let go of the traction. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see sport mode traction and then electronic stability control off. That basically means, god damn, my shit dusty, bro. That means your traction is off when you get that last message I just showed y'all. Now, before we do this, we got one thing to do. All right, y'all, so disclaimer, bro.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Everything y'all about to see is AI generated. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's real green screen. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even talking right now. This is a person talking. And I'm just talking over the video. Simple as that.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, let's get it, man.
Oh my god, fuck.
Okay, that's too tight of a road. Every corner we slide in, bro. This shit look tight. Oh! We gonna catch that bitch. We gonna catch that bitch every time. Oh! It's starting to rain now. Uh-oh. Ooh, we gonna catch that bitch. Oh, that's a fucking goddamn cul-de-sac. I ain't gonna lie, it's not too much talking I could do. Oh. We should go in the suburbs with this house.
Oh my god.
Okay, we gonna go in that driveway. We're here. We're here, gang. We're here. We're home. We're home. Wrong house, my bad. We just door dashing. Just door dashing. They look pissed. I'm not doing it here. I'm not doing it here. Now what that car sitting there, gang? Are they following me? No way they're following me, right?
I hope not. You can lose them.
Alright, well, we gonna get out that jam, gang. We gonna get out that jam, gang. I like this neighborhood.
my god, you.
Good. Oh,
That's what I'm saying. Like, why is it?
what the fuck?
It got into your rim. Like, you hit the.
How do I get that out?
I don't even know. You're gonna have to get something flat.
Oh.
Make sure that you mention in the caption, not in the caption, in the title that it's raining too.
Oh, yeah.
And then put in your thumbnail like some fake rain or something.
I can do this shit all day. I'm not burning no tires right now. I don't know where we at. I have no clue where we at, y'all. hey, y'all, I was gonna do it here, but that's too many cars. Fuck no. Hey, hello. That's too many cars. About a mailman? Yeah, I like going left more than right. But we gotta get right. We gotta get right now. Oh. We gotta get right, gang. We gonna get right. It's easy you get right. Okay. Left. Nigga.
You're fucking wildin'. You fucking wildin'.
Alright, y'all, that's just a little session, man. You know what I'm saying? It's raining right now, so shit, I ain't gonna lie, it's a little unsafe, gangy. But we Gucci. I gotta go to the tire shop though, cause I got a little grass stuck in my. I'll show y'all, bro, what happened, bro. I got some grass stuck in my goddamn rim, cuz. Alright, y'all, man, we done with the fun, but as y'all can see, bro, I got some grass stuck in my damn rim, bro. And I don't know how to get that shit off, I ain't gonna lie. So shit, we at my, you know what I'm saying, my little auto shop, my exhaust work done at and shit like that, bro. So shit, we finna get this grass out my rim real quick, G. Yeah, man. We gonna get this out real quick. We chip my damn rim a little bit. A little sad that I chip my rim. Just a little bit. Not gonna lie. But it's all good. That's what come with this shit, man. Having a little fun in that CHRYSLER 300. It's really your fault I crashed. Yes, it is. Cause you was sitting on the right side, and that's the side I hit. Nah, so we fixed the rim, you know what I'm saying? This shit worked like wonders, bro. Y'all can't even tell us over here. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. I ain't gonna lie though. I'm gonna need y'all to drop a like. I'm gonna need y'all to drop a comment, and I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause we over here going crazy for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But shit, that was sliding in the rain, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Simple as that, man. Make sure y'all got y'all notifications on. I will be dropping another video in like 2 days, bro. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And I'm out this thing, man. Y'all boys be easy, bro.